By 2030, half of all global deaths will be from cancer. In real numbers, that is 13.1 million deaths per year. Your chance of getting cancer in your lifetime is approaching 70%. To combat this devastating disease, we need to think differently, and we need to bring many minds together to do this. The Cancer and Aging Research Program is a comprehensive cancer research initiative that brings together internationally regarded research teams of surgeons, clinicians, and basic scientists to solve two key questions. Why do we get cancer? And why do we age? These two questions are inherently linked because as we age, our risk of cancer increases.
The way we're looking at cancer and diseases associated with aging is quite different, I feel, to the way these illnesses have been approached in the past. What we're saying is perhaps we should see this differently and see all of these illnesses as actually manifestations of the aging process.
Our research has identified a key protein that is increased in all the cancers that we have studied, including breast, pancreatic, lung, and colorectal cancers. When we block this protein in cancer cells, the cancer cells die. The CARP team of dedicated researchers are currently working towards understanding how this protein functions in cancer and are developing new drugs to target its function.
Our goal is to develop treatments which will target a broad range of cancer patients.
We are aiming to bring one of these drugs into the clinic to treat patients within the next 3 years.
So we're taking that very what we call basic research and we're translating it all the way through into the clinic.
This very same protein is also linked to other proteins that are important in aging. In very exciting early experiments, we've been able to change the activity of some of these proteins that may delay the aging process.
CARP is a program which is looking not only at cancer, it's looking at aging because cancer is an aging disease and we're looking at all other diseases including Alzheimer's. And we're actually marrying surgeons, oncologists and the basic science researchers together to make the most effective team to combat and answer the questions that need to be answered.
Uniquely in Australia, the Cancer and Aging Research Program will be able to move from research in the laboratory to drug manufacture, to clinical trials, to treatment, all on the one Queensland campus at the Princess Alexandra Hospital.
We've already got the first set of drugs in the pipeline and ready to go into preclinical models, and we hope to be into the first in human trials within a year to 18 months from now. This hopefully will lead to new therapeutics entering the market within a 5-year period.
To facilitate this work, we need to raise $60 million over the next 5 years. Your support now will ensure this program is fast-tracked and will have an impact on cancer and diseases of aging sooner.
Grants cannot possibly cover all of the costs, and that's why your donations are essential to help us take our novel concepts, the novel drugs that we are developing, from the laboratory into the patient.
Be part of the next great cancer research breakthrough.
These are real impacts for real people that could arise from this research.
Support the Cancer and Aging Research Program today. The power is in your hands.